going to the park? Yeah, I'm gonna go to the park. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the park. Okay, so we're just gonna pack this snack bag. I'm just gonna put it like right. First, I have to take all these stuff out because you're gonna wear those stuff. Well, I just got my baby stuff on. And put a little toy. Stuff on my knee.
Can you do this with your hand? What does this for?
Okay, so now I'm going to change her into her hat and her shoes. So I'm just gonna put this on her. Since we now I'm going to get her shoes on. She's actually gonna go to the park with me and
Touch your nose,
her
like ground.
sisters.
Touch your hips. Try to touch your hair, just like Casey touched her. Touch your ears. Can you touch both of your ears?
Now I'm going to put her in the shoulder because she
Where is
she
your
has to
smothered when you
go to the park.
cheeks?
Actually, we can't. And we're actually gonna feed her at the park. So I just gotta fix her necklace. Oh, first I'm gonna put her in the stroller. Wait. Emma, that's mine. I was using this Kiki. Now I'm going to put on her shoes. I'm just going to put on her shoes while she's in here. They keep slipping off every time I pick her up and put her in the stroller. They keep slipping off like that. So I'm going to put these shoes on her and she's going to go to the park with me and her sisters. So let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Go play first or eat first? I want to go play. Okay, let's play now. The shoulder, after the park, the shoulder right here. And now let's take off their shoes because they're going to be going on a slide. Yeah. And it's actually a bouncy slide. So yes, I just got that all by myself. And I'm actually going to take off her necklace because I don't want her to lose it. Maybe let's take off your necklace. I don't want you to lose it. My shoes came off. Who wants to go on the slide first? I do. Okay, and I'll go on the stairs. Ooh, I guess I'm gonna go on the stairs. Stop it! I was going on here. Yay, I like the slide. No. Now I'm gonna go back over here. So I'm going. Whose shoes is this? Whose shoe? Gosh, Airplane. Oh, no. Airplane, put on your shoe. No, Mommy. I think I'm hungry. Okay, honey. Let's go feed you on the grass because I'm not to feed you here. I don't want to. That's so much fun. So I got like her snack bag in here. Maybe. It's a little snack bag. And I only packed a snack. I didn't like pick dinner. So now I'm going to feed her cupcake. No, can't do that. Okay, now here's. Don't do that. Move your baby out of the way. here, baby. What's these are little shit snack bag over here.
This child is
I shouldn't put I don't want to put like in the dirt. Baby, you want to eat your cupcake first or your chip? Well, I think you should eat your chip and since it's not talking. Come on, stop. Oh. Don't put your baby in front of my baby. Now I'm going to feed. Stop it. Oh. Okay, here, baby. Now to feed you. Baby, why are you not licking the chip?
you need wind to fly tight.
There we go. Now she's licking the chip. Okay. Now she's going to have her cupcake.
Shoulders.
Just baby, eat it.
Emily is touching her shoulder.
Touch your shoulders.
It's not even
Elbow.
Elbow.
Baby, just eat it. Then you want me to take off the cherry so that you can eat the frosting? In here. Baby, you're not eating it yet. But water? Then you want to just lick the frosting and the cherry? Okay then. Baby. And now, after you have your cupcake, and it's gonna let you go on the slide, 4 more times. I mean 5. And water. There. Now, baby, you're all done. I gotta get the snack bag so that we can save them for later. Just drink your water. But you have to even eat this cherry. I can't even do it. Okay, baby, do you want your smoothie? Okay, then. I'm gonna put this in here. You can have your smoothie. Before you go play on the slide for 5 minutes. Where's her smoothie? Let's see. She wants to eat this part. She wants to eat this part. The cherry and
Drink.
okay, got this. Milkshake instead of a smoothie was I didn't know I had a milkshake, not a smoothie.
The girl and the boy are going for a walk.
There.
The seagull is also taking a walk.
But she just wants to eat the donut.
Walking.
But she just wants to eat your milkshake. Whoa, the donut. Okay. Like this donut, baby. Now, baby, do you like it? Yours. Okay, baby. Let me donut. You like it? You like it, donut, baby? Okay, baby. My baby had a donut, and it was from Koda. Here is your milkshake, and now I'm going to only give you your milkshake. And I think you should have some water. Drink your water.
Red, one of your favorite
Baby,
colors.
drink it all. Okay, baby.
Orange. This is light that is orange.
Just spit back in here, okay, guys? Okay, there. Guys,
Now I'm going to
let her have a little tea.
Green.
I mean, a little of her juice. Go, baby, okay? You only have a juice cup, so